This will be the start of it. Tomorrow will be day one. But I want to give you the before of how we're starting. First of all, door swinging into a tiny bathroom, kind of crazy to me. But here we are. This is what is about to go down. This shower, this is the problem. This all started because I thought the handle had broken. They said, hey, the cold shower part will work. The cold will work. When you go turn the hot side on, nothing happens. The water doesn't come on, nothing. I thought it was the handle. Found out it was not the handle. It's this little valve. It's like the proportionate hot and cold proportioning valve. That's the problem. And it's hard to see in there, but that will have to be cut out and brazed in. It's not nothing I can bolt. It's not a bolt in and out thing like a faucet. When I changed the faucet earlier, that was a bolt in and out thing. So I could do the faucet, but this is above my skill level. So we had to hire some pros. When you talk about this, I don't see how it's possible to even get in there and to be able to cut that, put new in there and braze it all in without burning everything down. So if you gotta tear this out, this old crusty thing out, it came to the conclusion where, okay, it's time to get just a shower. Who needs a tub? Nobody is getting down on the ground in that tub. We decided shower only. Time the shower curtains, the old shower curtains, curtains in the rod, and had curtains in the rod all my life. This is the start of it. Tomorrow, the people come and the demo begins. All this should be looking different. After 3 days, they claim 3 days. 4 at the most. 3 to 4 days max. So we'll see. I'm just showing you this video because this is the start. This is what we're starting with. Old, crusty fiberglass, one-piece fiberglass plastic. What looks like a little cardboard in the middle tub. Been in here for 20 years, but now it's time for a change. Okay, this is the before. Tomorrow, once it's all done, I'll give you the day one. Okay, here we go. He's here about 5 hours a day, from about 9 to 2. So he put in about 5 hours. And this is day number 1. This is the end of day 1, what we're looking like. You've seen the before. Here's the end of day 1. Wow. Okay. Not looking too bad in here. I'm just thankful there's no rotted out wood or nothing too crazy. I don't know what the hell, I don't know what's going on down there, but well, there you have it. Day 1 down. He said he'll be back tomorrow around 8:30. So far so good. Everything went pretty smooth. Nothing really too crazy happened. Nothing out of the ordinary. It's funny that I could swing this door open all the way. Before it would stop right there because the tub was right there. But they said they got the wrong door in, so they're going to swap this door. But he said it won't affect the schedule. So day 1 down, to be continued. This is the end of day number 2. Doors off the hinge. That's cool. Got the bottom pan in. They got it protected. Got the 3 sidewalls. It goes all the way up to the ceiling now. pretty cool. All right, it's coming along. Day number 2. Day number 2. Supposedly, tomorrow is supposed to be the last day. So we will see. So far, so good. The end of day number 2. This is day number 3, about 4 or something. It's about the 4 o'clock, day 3. This is the end. And they say they're complete. It's finished. Already looking good. As you see, door handle, hinges on that side now. It's a swing out inside of a tiny bathroom. This is crazy, y'all. Now it swings out after 20 years. Now it actually swings the right way. Now, it's like a whole new bathroom in here. Oh, man. Very, very clean job. Very nice job. 3 days. Got the little corner seat here, which is cool. Almost feels like it has a little grip on it too. That's pretty cool. Has the sturdy grab bar. Has the 3 shelves. Everything is brand new. So with this bathroom, this is just the beginning of the updates. This is a major thing I knew I couldn't do on my own. The toilet's already been changed. It's got the higher toilet, so we're not messing with that. The next major update to this bathroom is going to be paint. Swapping these lights, that's the next thing. It's hard to see because they're shining kind of bright, but yeah, that's the next thing that's going to go. It's going to get swapped to this light. And probably that faucet. Probably get a nickel faucet. There you have it, people. Man, just so cool having this glass door. One more time. All right. All right, here we go. This next stage of this. Got the plastic slung up, good enough. The goal for today, got it covered up, taped off, good enough. And the goal for the day is to add the first color. Nothing special, just slinging paint. Okay, here it is. This is not all the way done. Still gotta put the rack back on there. A few of these things have been painted. Got this here, nickel. But you get the idea. Got 2 coats. The second coat is pretty heavy. And this is just the first color. I still have to do this door and the door frame. This door frame will be a different color. Then it's blue. So I still gotta to finish sanding this down and do the door frame and paint both sides of the new door. Well, you're starting to see the vision here. Paint the vents blue. It's cool. Something different. Just give you a quick little update. I'm not sure when I'm going to do the second color. I'm not looking forward to it actually because it was a trim piece. It's hard enough painting up underneath up behind the toilet, but it's also a trim piece. I got to do that trim piece and around the door frame and the door both sides. So that'll be the next order of business. I think tomorrow I'll come and put these vents back in and put these plates back on there. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Okay, well, this bathroom is pretty much a done deal. I know I gotta paint the wall, but that's a whole different thing. But the complete door has been painted, the frame has been painted. This color here, I don't know what color that is. Hold on. These are two colors I used. A bear paint. Oh, come on. Use that one. And the other color was this one right here, air blue. Since the door was new and raw, I had to paint it all the way around the side, but there you go. Door done. Elephant hook. And this is the finished product right here. Let me turn the light on. Bam. Got the new little rug there. Got the little stainless garbage can and plunger and brush. So there you have it. Nothing too crazy, but definitely looks a lot better than when it originally started. Got the vents in. And everything's all good. One thing about this though, I got this little squeegee thing to try to clean the glass. It has a little suction cup thing here, but this suction cup, I just leave it right here in the back of the toilet because I tried to stick it, slide this open. I tried to stick it like to this stuff. I don't know, it doesn't really want to stick. It should stick, but for some reason, it keeps falling. Haven't figured that part out. That stuff right there, it works pretty good. It stinks though. I tell you, well, the smells is horrendous, but it does work pretty good. So there's a little rack. Added this little part here so the bottles don't fall through the grates. But you get the idea. That little hook right there is for a calendar. I took the calendar down because you guys don't need to see all that information on the calendar. But you get the idea. Actually, I'll say the best part of this whole remodel though, this bathroom, has to be getting the door to swing open the opposite way. Because it's a lot easier to get in and out of here. But yeah. Those are the two colors. It's like almost like a off-white and a sky blue. All right, I just thought I'd let you guys see the finished product. And on to the rest of the million other projects I have around this house to fix, upgrade, update, or just, you know, repair. All right, this is the end for the bathroom. This is the end of the bathroom saga, though. Well, for this bathroom. I got 2 more bathrooms to remodel, so. Hunchback Riders, signing out.